In these turbulent times, forward-thinking investors are reallocating capital into tangible alternative assets. For many, Cask Whisky is at the top of the list. But why? First, capital gains. HMRC generally views whiskey casks as a wasting asset, meaning private cask holdings are exempt from CGT liability, so you get to keep more of the profits in your pocket. Secondly, counterbalance. Whiskey values are not affected by the current global instability. A cask's value is underpinned by the biological maturation process, something that's completely uncoupled from financial markets. Lastly, scarcity. The underlying whiskey market has been getting stronger each year. Global consumer demand for premium whiskey brands is soaring, quickly outpacing the drinkable supply sitting in warehouses. If you would like to explore whether to add whiskey to your portfolio, register with Liquid Opulence and we'll see if it's to your taste.